Did you know that dirty or poorly maintained solar panels can lose up to 30% of their power output? In this video, I'll show you simple but essential maintenance tips that will keep your solar panels working like new for years to come. So, why maintenance matters? Even today's modern panels lose performance without proper care. Over a period of time, dust, leaves, bird droppings, and so on accumulate on the solar panels. Time after time, this prevents normal insolation, which means it reduces the production of photovoltaic modules. But this is not a problem. It's enough to follow simple rules that will allow you to keep the panels clean and therefore to remove more kilowatts from them. So, the easiest way is to visually inspect the panels to decide on a further action. If the dirt is not too strong, it is enough to take a damp cloth and wipe the panels. Smugs are gone. Don't use abrasive materials or remove heavy dirt. This will damage the glass, which is extremely undesirable in our case. Finally, you should regularly check cable connection, solar panel mounts and glass for crack and chips. So, maybe alright. As for winter, I believe that this is no need to regularly remove snow from the panels. Within a short period of time after the sun appears, the snow slides down by itself. So, I recommended wiping the glass until all streaks and smudges are gone. I will this procedure today. So you need clothes and clean the panels. Bird droppings, leaves, there are no leaves, and clean, more clean, yes. So, and these panels, those for finally cleaning. And by keeping your solar panels clean and well maintained, you will not only maximize their efficiency but also extend their lifespan by many years. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more solar energy tips, and let me know in the comments how often do you clean your solar panels. Thank you very much everybody who look this video. Subscribe for my channel please, and bye for new video.